Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful shell stitch fingerless glove. So let's get into the video. I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply crystal yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. After making 18 chains, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this third chain from the hook and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2, then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet stitch into the next chain. Then make a double crochet stitch into the next chain, and in this way make double crochets in these 16 chains. So I have made all double crochet stitches here. Make chain 1 and then chain 2 to start the next row. Turn up the work into the very first double crochet stitch right here. Make a double crochet, then go into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet in it, then go into the next one, make a double crochet, then into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, make double crochets in each of these stitches of previous row. Here is our last stitch. In this last stitch, make a double crochet stitch, which is our last stitch for the second row. Then make chain 1, chain 2, turn up the work again and start the third row by making double crochet in the very first double crochet stitch here. Then into the second stitch, make a double crochet. Into the third stitch, make a double crochet. Then into the fourth one, make a double crochet. So in this way we would make total of 16 double crochet stitches in every row, and we would make rows according to our wrist size. So I have made 18 rows according to my wrist size. You can increase or decrease the number of rows here. Now we would join these two parts together. You can join these parts by making slip stitch or single crochet. We would work into each of these stitches. So work into the first stitch on both sides, then into the second stitch on both sides. Make a slip stitch into each of them by pulling the loop through loops of these two sides, and then complete it till the end. So I have joined these parts with the help of slip stitch method. Now we would start shell stitch pattern. First of all, we would make a single crochet round. So make chain 1 here and make a single crochet on the side of this double crochet stitch. Then make another single crochet onto the side of this double crochet stitch. Now go into the second row. Here on the side of this single double crochet stitch, make 2 single crochets. Then into the third one, into third row, make 2 single crochet stitches on the side of this double crochet stitch. Then into the fourth row, make 2 single crochet stitches. In this way we would make 2 single crochet stitches on sides of every double crochet stitch of every row till the end. Now we would make last single crochet stitch here on the place of slip stitch as well, to reduce the gap, to make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, which is right here. So make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch, and now make chain 1 and a single crochet into the same single crochet stitch. Now skip 2 stitches and into the third stitch make a shell stitch by making double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then skip 2 stitches again and into the third single crochet stitch make a single crochet. Again we would skip 2 stitches. Into the third stitch we would make a shell stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. Then skip 2 stitches and into the third one make a single crochet stitch. Complete these shell stitches till the end. In the end we would make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Now we would make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, then into the second one, and then into the third one, because we have to start our next round from middle of this shell stitch. Make chain 1 and then make a single crochet into the same third stitch, then into the single crochet stitch after this shell stitch we would make a shell stitch by making 5 double crochet stitches into the single crochet stitch. Then make a single crochet into the middle stitch of next shell stitch, which is double crochet 3. Then into the single crochet stitch we would make a shell stitch by making double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and the last one is double crochet 5. Then we will make a single crochet into the third double crochet stitch of next shell stitch. In the same way we would complete rows. So I have made few rounds here. Now we would start our hole for thumb. Make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, then make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch, then into the third one, and now make chain 1 and a single crochet into this same stitch. Now we will make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will skip this shell stitch, and in the third stitch of next shell stitch we would make a single crochet like this. Now into the next single crochet stitch we would start making shell stitch. So make 5 double crochet stitches and then a single crochet into the third stitch of next shell. Complete this process till this chain, and now we would make chain 1, and then skip 2 chains into the third chain, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, then skip 2 chains again and into the third chain make a single crochet, skip these 2 chains, and into the next single crochet stitch we would make a shell stitch again, make 5 double crochet stitches into this next single crochet stitch, and then make a single crochet into the third single double crochet stitch of next shell. And this is our pattern. We would make a few rounds with the same process of making shell stitches. So I have made some rounds here. Now pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter. Remove the extra yarn strand and weave this yarn end with the help of tapestry needle. So I have woven the yarn end as well, and beautiful shell stitch fingerless gloves are ready. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Take care.